Please, tell us a story.
Well, are we sitting comfortably?
Oh, like biscuits and butter.
Sounds fun.
I'm ready. Once upon a time, in a place called
Sun Springs.
Iowa, Hobart, Florida,
Biggs Hill, Shumare.
Pomona, Santa Barbara.
I think we can aim a little bit higher than that.
Oh, that's good.
Do not be nice to me.
I wouldn't dream of that. I do not like surprises.
Let's hope you last longer than the other bloke.
It can often be hard to tell who someone really is. Who is good and who is bad.
Just be careful.
Yeah, we don't talk about this. One more spoken, hinted or suggested about this, and we are dead.
So if you see something, say something.
Like what?
Do you trust me? Show me. All you have to do is keep your mouth shut.
I cleaned up, just like you like it.
This place is hell on wheels. I like it.
Bloody hell. The balloon's going up then.